is our destiny. This is the moment. Transcend the limits. Trust the flow. Is this something?